E4L is Functional Training 2.0, an advanced blend of high-intensity training, strength conditioning and mobility. 4 elements of training with over 60 different E4L training styles. 45 to 60 minutes of fun and effective movement with thousands of skill variations to keep you motivated. With advanced technology at our fingertips, booking and checking into classes is a breeze. The coaching team will take you through a warm-up, an explanation, a demonstration, an awesome workout, a finisher and a recovery phase. Want to step up your game? Hook into MyZone and hit new levels. Measure your composition with InBody technology and optimize your results. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2, let's go. Our coaches will teach you, our technology will guide you. The E4L formula will take you all the way. This is E4L team training. Let's get started. Train for life with Elements for Life.